Welcome again, family and friends. Welcome to our channel, Beautiful Healthy Life. And today we are going to talk about another self-love. Self-love number 2 is you always have a choice. So choose yourself and self-love. Yes, this is one of my own quotes, and I came up with this because of what I was going through. And I knew, or I've learned, that I have a choice. But we opted against ourselves, myself at that time, which had created a chaos or a life-changing situation. And of course, learning the lessons of life. I know all of us had experienced difficulties, challenging times, right? So believe me when I say there's always a choice. But the struggle is choosing yourself. Choosing yourself where you can be happy, where you can learn and expand your horizon. So that's why you have to choose yourself. And you have to choose self-love as well, because self-love is self-growth. It's not selfishness. Because selfishness is not self-growth. It's just a personal desire, which is, of course, a dead end. That being said, we have to evaluate our options and really think about everything in our mind depending on our maturity and the perceptions that we have. So mostly we decide based on our fear, which shouldn't be the case, because if you decide based on fear, that is not self-love, because you're tending to sell yourself short, and that is not self-worth. Yes. Self-worth is a product of self-love. Choosing self-love is based on love. And this is having a balanced life. Not just one part, the other part, and neglect the other parts. So that's why we tend to be unhealthy in our relationships, with our health, and with ourselves. Again, everything is a choice. So what do we choose now? What will we choose tomorrow? So let us choose love, not fear. Let's do everything based on love, because it will progress, it will help you grow, and it will be beneficial for all. Remember, everything starts from within you. Your thoughts, your emotions, and everything. So everything that we give is what we have. We cannot give what we don't have. So start loving yourself so you can share love with others. If you're interested more about self-love, please contact me for a self-love lecture. It's available online as well. And here in the Philippines, you can visit me here in our center. And then we can just be love and vibrate love. Love, love, love. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to comment. So, have a beautiful, healthy life. Peace and love.